So, hi all of you. My name is Zima, and today we are going to record the session on IQBOT. So, in IQBOT, I'll tell you how we can process the PDF file and how we can extract the information from the PDF file, and how we can make the IQBOT connector in a TaskBot, and how we can download and upload the PDF file, upload the PDF file to the from TaskBot to IQBot, and how we can download the result in CSV file from IQBot to your TaskBot. In local repository, we can save those data. So let's start with the initial. So initial step is like how we can create an instance. So in IQBot, first step to create an instance. Suppose if you want to process any document, if you have a bulk of PDF file, and in those PDF file, if you want to extract some information, if those information is inside some table view, and if you want to extract those informations, so how we can process it? So first step is like we need to create an instance, and inside the instance we have to provide like what kind of PDF is, and also we have to provide like if you want to extract the information from the table or not. And third step is to upload this PDF file, and the final step is like to train your bot, which file we have uploaded initially. So let's start with the first step. So for that, I'm using community version here, and here you can here in the licensed version, then you can see the more feature inside the IQBot. So in the IQBot, I'm going to click on the get started, and here you can see this is the main page of the this IQBot, where we can create our instance. So in IQBot there's a 4 steps: create, classify, train, and production. So first step is like creating. Like in the creation, we are going to upload dummy file of the PDF, dummy of the PDF file. So here it will create your instance. In the classification, in create, we are uploading the PDF file. So those PDF file will be classified in the classified step. In the training, once the PDF file is uploaded on the new instance, so in training, we have to train those bot, like those groups which is created in the instance. In the production, we need to set those group to the product, so that in the TaskBot we can upload and download the data. So let's start from here. So how we can create our new learning instance? So first we need to provide the learning instance name. Okay. So here I'm going to we are going to train a bot on bank statement. Okay. So suppose like that is a bank statement from some bank. So I'm going to make I'll make the name as a bank. Okay. Got. Okay. So in description, if you want to put some description over here, then you can put here. But right now I'm leaving this one because this is optional. And document type, it will ask you what is the type of that document. So predefined documents are here: bank statement, credit memo, and all. But in my case, I don't want to select any this document type which is available here. So in my case, I'm going to select the other one. Okay. So suppose if you are a learner and you don't have the dummy PDF file like which you want to train, so in that case, this community edition is provided the sample document also. So what you need to do, you need to download the sample document from here. You can see here, you can download the sample document. So you have to click over here, download sample document. And once if you downloaded, you need to extract those PDF file. So just go to that folder location, and let me cut from here, and I'm going to create one folder here, IQBot folder, and inside the IQBot folder, I'll paste that one, and then I'll unzip this one. Yeah, so see, inside here you can see there's a 5 folders, and all are having their own PDF file, and all PDF file are having their own structure. Okay, so 1 second. Yeah. So I'm going to take this bank statement. Okay. So I'm going to train this bank statement in my this recording in this session. Okay. So let's see this bank statement structure first. in this bank statement, there's a lots of information are present, but first agenda is like what information you want to extract from this PDF file, right? First, we need to identify that one. So, so here I want this is the table view. Okay, this is the table structure, and this is the form structure. This data is not inside the table, so that's why we are calling it form. And this data is inside the tabular format, so that is the reason we are calling it a table, like table. So here you can see, like in this table, I want to extract the reference number and balance. Okay, so this three field I want to extract from this table, and two more field I want to extract from this bank statement form field. That will be a form field. First is like beginning balance I want to extract from this form, and second one is like ending balance I want to extract from this form. Okay, so let's start. Let's assign this first form field, and then we will assign the header one inside this our instance. So let's go back there. Okay, so like here we need to provide what is the document type. So in my case, the document type is bank statement, right? Okay, and here we need to upload the PDF file. Okay, so here you can see that the maximum 150 file at one time we can upload here. So now I'm going to upload only one file. So that file I kept inside the folder inside IQBOT sample and inside bank statement. So I'm going to take this first one. Okay, bank statement. So see, this file is selected here. Now it is ready to upload. Okay, so as I told you in that PDF file, I have to extract two fields, like sorry, two kind of fields. First is like form field, and another one is like tabular format. So in tabular, why I'm saying this tabular format, like in this table format, you can see that four row is present. Okay, so in my case, I want to extract all these four rows. So whatever data is present, like whatever row, like suppose here now it is present four row. Okay, in future it can be like 100 n number of rows. So all n number of row we want to extract, right? So so that is the reason like we are using here IQBot, and this is a tabular format. So once we will train our bot on this table now, so then in that case it will extract all n number of rows. Okay, so first we have to assign here the form field name. So first, as I told you, the first name, first data, the form data I want to extract beginning balance. So they copy this name from here and go here in the form field, just put here. Okay, and click over here, add as a form. So next field, what next field I want to extract the ending balance. Just copy this one and come here and paste this name and add as a form. Okay, so next say like this is the form which we want to extract. Okay, from, and second one is like tabular data. So let's provide the tabular header name here. So as I told you, I want to extract three columns, right? First one is like date. Okay, and second is like reference number. So don't put this symbol. And third one is like balance. Just copy the name, paste here, and click over here on this button. So all three headers name are added here, and all two forms name are added here. Okay. So next step is like it will ask what OCR you want to add here, right? What is OCR? OCR is like optical character recognition. So this is a software. This is like inbuilt here, and this is free of cost by the community edition. So we are going to use the Abby one, but here you can see there is a lots of OCR software are present. So so by default I'm going to use Abby in the, like suppose if you have any other kind of PDF file, and by using this Abby you are not able to scan extract the information. So in that case you can select the other one also. You can go by the another one like extract and Microsoft and Google Vision. Okay, so but right now I'm using this Abby. So in my PDF file, you can see that there's a no images. So that's the reason I'm like this checkbox. I will enable it here. And okay, so let's create instance analyze. So now it is doing the second step. Second step. First was like creation. Second was like analyzation. Right now it is analyzing that document. So this web page is open here. So now the third step is like provided training to the document which is uploaded. Okay. So first step was like creation. So we have created the our instance. Second step was like analyzing the document. The document was analyzed, and third step is like providing it, training to that document. Okay. So see here. So whatever field we have created, you can see in the left side of this panel. So first, like you can see, there's two fields are coming here, and all three fields, the table column are coming here. Okay. So you can see this is coming here, and here you can see that this is a table section. Whatever column we are going to select in the case of table, so that will come here. Okay. So first was like beginning balance. So see, here we can choose the data type also, what kind of data you want to put here. So in my case, that is a text, so I'm going to take the text only. Okay, and in your case, if it will be number, and accordingly you can select this one. But in my case, I'm selecting the text one. So field label is like this header name, it is coming inside the field label. Okay, and whatever value you want to get against this field level, that value we are going to select here. See, it automatically it is fetching here. So suppose first time if you are uploading any document and automatically it is fetching that value, then leave it at it. Suppose in future if this value is not coming here, so manually you can just scan, like you can scan this one, this particular value. I'll tell you like how we can do that one. So right now it is showing the correct balance whatever we want against this beginning balance. So this is okay. Okay, now here you can click over here and let's see what options are given here. So here you can see in the field option, like if you want to make this value like this value always required, in that case you can select this one. If you want to make it optional, okay, so you can select this one. So in my case, I'm just selecting optional. Okay, don't know why it is not selecting. And here the validation pattern are given. Suppose if you want to check, like if you want to check like this value will start with some keyword and with some keywords, so that value also you can provide here. And suppose if you want to put some kind of Python logic, then you can select inside the logic and you can put your Python code over here. Okay, so let's check the ending balance. So in ending balance, you can see the data type, like I'm also going to select the text. The field level is ending balance. The header name we are going to put here, and the field value will be this one. So see, this is automatically selected. So again, in the field option, let's select this optional. Okay, and I don't know why it is not showing in my machine, but okay, leave it. So here, let's go inside the table section in the date. So again, date, you can select the date or you can select the text. Okay. So now I'm selecting text only. Date will be see, date is coming here. And in the column value, you can see again it is putting the header name. So in that case, how we can choose the value? So so there's a one rule in the table while selecting the value. So always select this column value, the first row, not go to the second row. Whatever value is given into the first row, that value you need to select. So see, by default, it is selecting the header inside the value. So this is wrong. So just go inside, just cross this one, go inside the, click on the column value and click over that first row value inside the date column. Okay. So this is the first row value. You can see the value is now coming here. So suppose if you want to increase the area, that also you can do it. Just drag and drop this box here. You can increase the size of this text area. Okay. So let's, and also you can select the required option. So just select the option in your machine. Once you will select, then it will show. It will be visible. But in my machine, I don't know why it is not visible. Okay, in reference number, just to, so here again the data type will be text, and in column name the reference name is correct. So in column value again it is selecting the column header. Okay, so just delete this one. So you need to only cross over there, like just click on this cross button. Okay, and inside the column value go here and click over here. Just increase the area. Okay, and click on the optional, and again balance is see, here you can select the The header name is coming correct. It's selected by default this balance one, that is correct. In the value, again it is selecting this header name. Okay. So just cross this one and select this balance. You know, again cross and select in proper way. If you are not selecting proper way, then you will not get a good result. Okay. To select in proper way, the correct area you need to select here. Again, this is optional. So before move to the next step, if you want to see the what the result you are getting, okay. So for that you can click on the see extraction result. So click over here, then you can see what result you are getting in the CSV file as a result from this PDF file. Yeah. So see, uh, in the PDF file, this is the form data, field data. So see, beginning balance and ending balance I want. So you can see this is the amount in the beginning and this is the amount in the end and the balance. So you can just match here in this PDF file. Okay. And in the table section, you can see there's a 4 row. Okay. There's a 4 row. And you can also here all the 4 row is coming here. Okay. All the 4 row is coming. So you can click over here in the first row and you can see it is highlighting here. Again, you'll click on the second row, it is highlighting here. Third row, it is highlighting at the third position. Fourth row, it is highlighted. So in this case, like in this way also, you can check your data is correct or not correct. So see, this is highlighting here. Okay, so highlighting here. So again, the balance also you can check. Okay, 7, all balance are here. That means this data is coming in correct way. So now you can close this browser and come here. And now you can what we can do, save and go to the next row. Click on save and go to the next row. Yeah. So you can see what it is saying. There is a no group left in the queue to the train. Okay, to the train. So suppose like here in my case, I only uploaded one document. Okay, and so that is the reason only one training were required. But in your case, suppose if you are uploading the more document and all document are having different formats. So in that case, for each format, you need to provide the training. Okay. So how you can check like how many training, like how many groups are created. So in this group, you can see here. So this is the group name. Okay. This is the group name. Inside this group, that training document, which training we had, like I had provided, that was inside here. You can see there, all the training name is given here. See, this is the level number of training document. Like inside this group, only one document I had provided. So that is the reason it is showing one. Okay. Training and process. So you can click over here if you want to see like in this inside the group, like you can see this group is inside bank IQBOT. This is the instance name. Inside this instance name, one group is created because only one file I have uploaded. Suppose like you are uploading two different PDF file and both PDF file having a different format. So in that case, two group will be created here. Okay, inside this instance. So here, if you want to see that file which is inside this group, then simply you can click on the edit bot and you can see the training bot. Okay, and now you can save and close. So this IQBot is ready. So we can now go back to the TaskBot so that we can make the IQBot connector, where by using the connector, we can upload the PDF file to this IQBot, this instance, and we can get the data from this instance. So for that, first thing is like before going to the TaskBot, so you need to make this set to production. Okay. So if you will make the set to production, then only this instance name will be visible to your TaskBot. So before going there, you need to click on this one, set to production. It will ask this one, just click on the yes, send to production. So you can see now this edit button is not coming because this group is inside the production. So if any group is inside the production, so you cannot edit that button. So if you want to like in future, if you want to provide the training again to the group, then what you can do that you just click over here and back to the staging mode, and then only you can edit this one. Just refresh this one, you will get the edit option. Yeah, you can see edit option is coming now. Okay, so then and now you can click and you can train again, provide the training to that group. Yeah, now I'm clicking over here and sending production to this group. Yeah, this group now, this instance is in production. Let's go back to the our automation anywhere. So here I'm going to like now we are going to create a connector, IQBOT connector. Okay, so so that is the reason I'm inside the TaskBot. Okay, so here let's create a folder for the IQBOT, and inside the folder I'm going to create a TaskBot. So click on here. Here I'm just putting IQBOT connector. Okay, and the location will be this file is inside IQBOT. Yeah. So here in the action panel, just type IQ, and you can see inside the IQBOT command, inside this IQBOT command, there is two commands. There are two features: download all document and upload all document. So like your IQBOT is ready now. So what you want to do? First, you will upload the file, then only you will get the result, right? So first step is like to upload the document on the server. Then only you can download the document. Okay. So here I'm going to use the upload document command. So only what you need to do, double click on that this command. Yeah. So double click on this command and upload the document. So once you click over here, you can see in the right side in upload document, the server name is coming, right? Learning instance name is coming. So in our case, the learning instance name is Bank IQBot. Okay. So just go back and here just refresh it. Yeah. See this instance name now it is coming here. Okay. So just select this one and here what file you want to upload here. Okay, so the location file I want to upload this file. Okay, just get this location and go back to the IQBot and here just provide the file. So like now I'm uploading only one file. Okay, but in your case maybe you need to upload like same format, for same format you want to upload 100 of files, 100 plus files. Okay, so what you want to like what you have to do, put this command inside the loop. Okay, and after this upload document just put some kind of second like delay, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. So upload one document and wait for 1 second, then upload second document inside the loop. Okay, so this file path is ready here. And what is the group label here? So suppose if you want to upload your file particular this group only, like this is the label, you can see this is the label, this is the label. Okay, here. So suppose like initially when you are creating a group, like this is the community edition, that's the reason like, all features are not visible here. So in your license version, there's a one more command, one more feature will be available here. They create your group. Suppose if you want to create your particular group inside the bank IQ pod, so that group you can create here directly, and you can upload the particular file in that group, and you can put the label name also. And if you want to upload your file to the particular this group only, then just put this label name here. Okay, so what will do that bot will upload this file only this group, like on this group label. Okay, so in my case I want to upload a file, this file indirectly in this IQBot. Suppose in this IQBot there is a multiple group is created, so it will go into the one by one all group, so until unless it will match. Okay, so in my case, I'm not putting any group level here. So like once file will be uploaded on the server, if you want to check the outcome, like it is success or fail. So that outcome we can store into some variable, string type variable. So just status, okay, create and select. See. So as I told you, after upload, put some delay. It will be on. Okay, and in message box display that status. And click on this cross button, insert the value which we have created, status variable. Okay, and click on the run button. Now save this one and click on the run button. So once you run this bot, now I have not added the download part. Only I'm uploading the file to the server. This instance, inside this instance, I'm uploading the file. Okay. So if I'll run this one, then this file will be uploaded to this server. Let's see. So you can see that you got the message, and in message it is coming success. Okay. So that means our file is successfully uploaded here. Let's close this one. Yeah, so now we need to upload, like this file is uploaded now on server, and now we need to download the file. Okay, so I'll just this I'll disable this both code, and I'll put here one command, download all documents. Okay, so like right now I have uploaded only one file, so it will only download the one file in my case. Okay, but in your case, suppose if you're uploading multiple documents at once, then it will download all the documents by using this command. Okay, so select here this instance name, and see in the IQBOT document status there is a five folders. Okay, on the server there is a five folders. On the IQBOT server there is a five folders. First folder is success folder, second is invalid, third is unclassified, fourth is untrained, and five fail one. Okay, so in our case, suppose your file like you have trained your file successfully over there, and the same when like whatever file you are uploading to this TaskBot, if that format is matching over there, then it will come into the success folder. Okay, if it will generate all the required data which you want, then it will come into the success folder. Okay, so like invalid means maybe your file is not valid, and unclassified means maybe your class of that file is not defined inside the IQBOT server. That's the reason it will come inside unclassified. In untrained, like suppose any format you are uploading over there, and that a training of that file is not present, like you have not trained that file on the IQBOT server, so that PDF file will come inside this folder. Okay, so in the success folder you will get the data in the form of CSV file. Okay, and in this fourth folder, if you want to download the data, or like if you want to see what kind of data is there, like suppose if you are uploaded five file, only you got like four actual CSV files. So one file you haven't received in the success folder. So in that case, you can check one by one all these folders. Okay. So in here you will get a PDF file, not a CSV file. So in my case, I'm selecting the success one because I got the success status inside our message box. Okay. So now it is asking like where we can download that CSV file from the IQBOT server. So I'll provide the location here. So see, same location I'm going to provide here. Yeah, or here I'll create one folder. Fine. Okay. Just copy this location and put here. Okay. Put here. Now you can see delete file from the server after download. This is with checkbox available here. So, suppose if you want to delete all the uh, data which is present on the instance, data means like the CSV file generated. Okay, so like when you are uploading this data over there, then it will extract the data and it will store into the CSV file on the downloading the data from that success folder. So you need to clean that success folder on from that instance from that server. Why? Because next time if you're uploading any files, if you're not cleaning this success folder, then at that time you'll get the previous data also. So this is the best practice to always check enable this one, this checkbox. Okay. And if you want to see the response, like your data is downloaded or not downloaded, then you can store into that response inside the variables. Okay. So I am selecting the status again, and yeah, let's see if it is downloading or not. Okay. So you can see IQBOT is running, and yeah, we got. So let's see inside that folder. You can see this is the folder, and here you can see some random values are coming with this file name. And so here we had uploaded this file, this bank statement. This name is also coming inside this file name at the last position, and initially some random values are coming. So if you want to remove this one, then you can remove by using the automation command. So, and this is the CSV file. Okay. So just open this file and see all data is coming or not. Yeah, expand this thing. Yeah, you can see all data are coming here. This is the tabular data. Yeah. And this one was form data, fill data. Yeah, you can see all data are coming here, and the results are true, true, true. Yeah. So thanks for watching.